Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Mogo Finance. Mogo Finance is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. The company is headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia. But where is Mogo Finance actually based? Mogo Finance is a Canadian company, but it has operations in both Canada and the United States. The company's headquarters are located in Vancouver, British Columbia. However, Mogo Finance also has a number of offices in the United States, including in San Francisco, California, and Austin, Texas. In addition to its physical locations, Mogo Finance also has a strong online presence. The company offers a variety of online services, including the ability to apply for credit cards and personal loans online. So, where is Mogo Finance based? The answer is both in Canada and the United States. Mogo Finance was founded in 2007. The company is publicly traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, Mogo. Mogo Finance has over 2 million customers. So, there you have it. Mogo Finance is a Canadian company that is based in Vancouver, British Columbia. However, the company also has operations in the United States. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.